Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can replace the photos attached to the Canva resume templates. So if you guys want to create a resume using Canva, and in here, I've already find resume templates and there are lots of templates shown in here. And let's say I want to use this uh simple professional resume. So I'm going to just click on the customize this template, and as you guys can see before here in the resume templates there are already photos attached, and if you want to replace it with your own photo you can follow my steps here. So after the resume is open, you can just click on the photos in here and first delete this photo. Click on the trash icon and choose delete image. And now you can just find your image and upload it in here. So for example here I'm going to add this photo into the resume. So just click on the photo and it will be added into the design, and you can just drag it to the frame until it fits like this. Let go, and to fix the position you can just double click on it and just drag it like this, and you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.